Hello and welcome to the top of the world. The ice has melted, the sky is blue, the sun is over here, and the pontoon's been stacked up here for 8 months now. It's going in the water. So obviously it's nearly fishing time. Not quite, it's nearly fishing time, but it is a nice evening. It's been so hot today, for me, it's been so hot today. I'm going to put the pontoons in and get it ready for the boat. heavy. Oh yeah, this is heavy. Yeah, you tell them. Yeah, it's heavy. I don't suppose you want to get your arse out the van and give me a hand, do you? Oh, no comment now. Right. So that was an hour to put that in, with my fluffing around and stuff. Some of you will notice I didn't take the boat out. No, I didn't. I just turned it over right here, and I've turned it back over and put it in there. I don't know why I kept... Anyway. Now, at the end of this year, these will have to come out because they need a bit of staining. So let me show you, for those who have never seen this before. I built this setup. So this is the deck. I've never got the stain in this. Yeah. Anyway. And I noticed this year, that's got like a concrete pad on it. I noticed this year, the winter has busted that concrete pad down there. Anyway, I thought it was leaning. So these big hinges in here, I welded up. And then I have like a hook bolt goes through with a nut on the end. And then a canvas strap on the side, and it works the same. I made these. I made everything because I don't have anything, so I make it all. Here's another good demonstration of those hinges. Actually, probably best demonstration is an up one. There. So they're hinges and corner brackets, and I welded and bent and made all that up, and welded and bent and made all those up, and then put a bolt through with a nut on the end and then a strap. And of course you can just keep going. If your welding was any good, Simon, do you need these? Well, that was done using, dare I say, battery welding. Stick battery welding, because like so much of my stuff on the way here got stolen. I think all my welders actually got stolen out of my warehouse before we'd all even left. But anyway, that's, you know, thieves. I've had my pants tanked down on too many occasions, right? And now it happens every time I go to town. Anyway, don't, Simon. Right, yeah, so that's how that works. But you could keep going on and just keep adding sections to whatever you... And these are orange juice containers underneath, the blue barrels that I got from the jam factory, obviously. So are the storms that come able to take your pontoon off down the river, break it up and leave it flat? Yep, I've been and rescued a few pontoons. When the storms come, right, and the rare winds come from the south, can they smash your boat up and sink your boat? Yep. Can they destroy and sink your pontoon? Yes. But not this one, because this base is relatively securely fixed to the bank. And then I've got these, and the wind coming this way, we're kind of sheltered from this bank. Road noise. What's going on? And I'll say that is like the main north-south road in Sweden. And there's a car just gone past. Anyway, distracted. So we're kind of protected from the wind this way. So we don't suffer with storms coming from the north, but we can suffer with the storms coming from the south. So that's why I use, as the old man says, belt and braces, hinges and straps. And it just looks so beautiful. Perhaps I should just shut up for a minute. And that, saying that there, that's exactly where the old man's boats got smashed onto the rocks. And they both went down. Fish. Fish. I would guess that's probably time for fishing. Did we come equipped to go fishing? No. It's quite late. I think it's about 10 o'clock at night. Yeah, 2200 hours. Sun. We have 24 hours of daylight now. Sun don't set. That's it. You can go fishing 24 hours a day in sunlight. Right. Anyway, that's it for that one. Boat's in. Now back at the shop tomorrow. I'll probably pull out the motor and give that a quick service and drop it on the back, and we'll be ready to go fishing, probably. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for joining me. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.